This recipe for chicken is so delicious that I want to cook it 3 times a week. We'll need 2 chicken thighs. And we're gonna make cuts on the surface of them, just like I'm doing. And we'll separate for later. Now, let's insert 3 eggs into a bowl. This recipe is amazing, the result will surprise you. Then, we'll add a teaspoon of salt. And we mix the ingredients, and then we separate for later. Tell me if you have any recipes with chicken, I'd love to know. Now, let's insert a tablespoon of butter into a pan. After a while, we add 2 tablespoons of sugar. And we mix the ingredients very well. After that, we will insert the previously prepared chicken thighs into the pan. It's a simply amazing and delicious recipe. Make it at home and then come back here to tell me what you think. After you get this coloring, we'll turn the recipe to prepare the other side. Now, let's add salt to taste. Black pepper to taste. Paprika to taste. And fried garlic also to taste. And we turn the recipe on the other side and add the temperos again. And before I forget, tell me which city you're watching so I can send you a special hug. Today's hug goes to Renalyn Korea from Malaysia. I'm glad you're enjoying our recipes. Be sure to make this recipe at home. After that, we add a sliced onion. Answer honestly, this recipe makes our mouths water. And we also added a tomato, diced. And we spread it all over the recipe. Teach your friend who likes chicken, I'm sure he'll love this recipe. Now, let's add the mixture of egg. Then, we will cover the pan to cook for 10 minutes. After that, we add parsley to taste over the recipe. Using only a few ingredients present in everyday life, we can make a recipe much tastier than those sold in conventional restaurants. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Thank you so much for watching this video so far. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.